guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Reina. If you're not new here, then welcome back. I started my vlog from tonight because tomorrow we're going to get our puppy, a Pomeranian Shih Tzu, and my sister doesn't know that we're getting it yet. I mean, she knows about the dog, but she doesn't know that we're getting it tomorrow. So tomorrow I have to go to the doctor to fill out a medical for me for my new school, Arden High. So we're just going to pretend like we're only going to the doctor, and then surprise her after that with the dog and see her reaction. So hopefully I can get that properly on camera. But anyway, see you tomorrow. So today I'm just going to do a vloggy
of her day.
Vlog of my day today. Alright, so guys, this is me doing my hair. So to do my hair, I just spray it. Sit up. Okay, where is the brush? Mommy, stop now.
Rachel, what you doing? You're hurting your hair.
So to do my hair, I just spray it up. Your hair smells bad.
It's so stinky.
Oh gosh, look on my forehead. But yeah, just do this and then it goes back to
It's called a refresher.
normal. Yeah, I refresh my curls.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
And you get what you feel. We will get what you know about love. I got what you need. More than a story, get what you want. You get what you please. I use this and just wipe it at the front.
It's more than I choked on my breadfruit, and I still feel it in my throat.
I look like a triangle.
No, you look like Dora.
Oh my god.
Bye bye.
Okay, so let's start TikTok. I hope you miss me. Oh no, hold on. Next time.
I didn't hear my foot crack.
Alright, so my hair still isn't done. How does that needs to be?
Pray. My hair needs to be done. You should do a transition.
Into what?
Like, our hair is not done yet.
Alright, so
And then-
no. You can jump and then when you jump back down the hair will be done.
Yeah.
Alright, so in 3, 2, 1.
So, today we're going to do a few things like supermarket.
You vlogging?
Yes. Supermarket. We're going to pick up our grandma. We're going to the spot. We're going to walk later. Yeah. Oh, and we're also going to make a fort. So yeah. I'm excited. And I love my top.
So excited! So excited!
Child. Anyway, so
Don't I make
you feel good? You get me so excited. Shawty wanna roll with a rock star. If let's go, we can go far. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. We might do
take you for my vlog.
We might do more things. But anyways, bye. So we're about to go.
And I have CHRIC in my HEART, and I will LIVEETER, and I will LIVETE. How do you spell eternally again? And I am a CH. I am a CH.
Mommy!
I am a CHRISTIAN. And I a CHRISTMIHEART and I'm a LIBETERNALY.
Rachel has no idea, so we're going to pick the dog up now. And she has no clue. She thinks we're going to be picking up mommy. So we're really
She coming now, so bye. I got my CSEC results. When was it? Last week?
Yeah.
Last week, Tuesday. And I got 6 1s, 2 2s, and 2 distinctions in biology and physics. And then I got the other ones in Spanish, English A, English B.
This one again?
What? Supermarket?
To go
There's a supermarket now.
Yeah, I know. Why don't I remember the subjects that I did? Alright, so I got a grade 1 in biology, physics, chemistry, English A, English B, and Spanish. And I got a 2 in mathematics and social studies. Apart from the CSEC grades, I got accepted to Arden High, a school I wanted to go to since grade 7. School starts next week though. I'm not sure when I'll post this, so I'm not sure if it's next week or this week that I'm talking about it now. But it begins on the, what was it, the 7th of October, and orientation is on the 6th.
And today is the
And
3rd.
I'm not keeping count.
Can you follow my TikTok? Please.
Why are they going to follow it if you don't tell them what it is?
Rachie, RACHIE, 2 E's, underscore.
Easy. I just
It's too hot. Oh yeah, the subjects I'm doing in 6th form are chemistry, bio, sociology, and communication studies.
Why chemistry?
Exactly why chemistry, but mommy says I'm supposed to do it.
Keep it.
I wanted to change it to like
No.
another subject.
Oh,
but
You're
that's
studying
her
if she
choice.
is no, it's not just about her choice. It's medicine is not my choice either. It's what her course of study dictates. So she has no
But
choice.
remember, I want to need the CSEC grades. And
No, so you are thinking Cuba then and straight Cuba. Because if something else happens,
Yeah.
over here is empty. Oh, so I have to put my hand in the camera for it to focus. You see that? Alright, so I guess I'll be keeping my hand right here.
Hey, take it away now.
Hate bad, hate bad. You guys know where at. Hey, baby. Here it was.
And then, do you want to do a TikTok in front of me?
I have something
Alright, let's
called
get-
shyness.
try to get over it. You're doing communication studies and you're gonna go up in front of your class. And these are not people you went to school with. You were in class with.
So you're telling me
first
to
form.
do a TikTok in Fontana?
Let's pass the back of these baby with the masks.
Why not?
I'll just simply close my eyes because I don't want people to look at me. I can have one of those. Actually, no. What about the mask?
Where's the top of this yellow?
And guys, I'm sorry for being so inconsistent with YouTube. I haven't posted in like a month and a couple weeks now, I don't know.
This top kind of yellow.
But my phone and the storage and it just all made me prosper, so. Alright, so when I get my new phone,
When I get
I'll
hold
be
of you now.
consistent and post
Count down,
more
baby. We can back up.
and
You
yeah.
guys, we're getting our dog in a week and a half. We're getting our dog in a week and a half.
Take up your mask and tell them.
We're getting our dog in a week and a half. 10 days.
Yay! I'm happy for you.
Let's
There you
go.
go.
I go. Progressing.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll get to that now. Now I'm breathing.
So guys, we're back in the car now.
Yeah.
We're going to a different ATM.
Can you show them, when we reach back home, can you show them all the dog stuff like the feeder?
Yeah.
coming out or what are you doing?
And the pooper scooper. Guys, I have a pooper scooper because I am not taking up puppies, so toilet paper and doing this.
I need somebody to know, somebody.
So now we're going to get the dog.
Surprise! Surprise! Yes, we're getting. Oh my God! I think this one is Mocha. Which one is Mocha, Rachel? I think this one is Mocha. This is Mocha, Rachel. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Oh my God.
Yes. Oh, you want to see the sisters?
Yes.
Them the baby.
The puppy.
Say hi.
I can't.
See them there?
They're so adorable.
They are.
This one is latching on to me. Gee whiz.
I beat them from morning and blow dry them.
Oh
Play
my
with them.
gosh. What sweet. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes.
And that's Uncle Gruffle.
Watch it. Oh my God, they're too nice.
Mommy, look at this.
My gosh, your home is gorgeous.
Hey guys, wait. This is a girl dog. The one that we're getting is a boy. Hi, booby. Should I close this?
No, you can, man.
Okay.
Brought it out to the car, and I opened the back of the trunk. I opened the trunk, not even remembering. And it's like, why do you have this? I said, oh, that is investigator. I told him, I don't know why you put it down here. What's wrong with Daddy? And then we were driving out. She said, you know, I'm really suspicious.
Why you have this? Why you have that?
Wow. And a toy already.
Yes, and a little
So
pillow.
old already.
Perfect.
Touch him. So cute. And I have the
Alright, so guys, now we're getting 2 instead of 1. Want me to sure?
Yeah, man.
You positive?
I'm positive, baby.
Alright, so guys, this is mine. It's a girl, so I don't know what to name her. What?
In the summer, I was like, what the hell is happening there? She going to be taller than her sister? Yep, she is.
So guys, instead of getting 1 dog, we
ended up
got
with
2 dogs. So I don't know what I'm going to name this one yet.
Ask for suggestions.
Can I have suggestions?
Yeah, you can give
This
me
one's
suggestions.
name
It's
is
a
Mocha.
male.
This one's name is.
He's such a cute puppy.
Hi. Hi.
And there's Mocha.
Hi, Mocha.
I want to Dingan is up there.
I still need name suggestions, but I bought the wrong type of dog food. So we need to get some milk, some other dog food.
Oh,
And
okay. Wow, big girl.
So guys, remember to comment a name. It's so cute. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Ooh. Guys, my face doesn't look that right now. I've been eating a lot of sweets and junk food, and that's not me. Like, that's not right. So I'm going to try to get my face back to normal by probably next week or so, because I'm not liking this. But anyways, this is the end of my vlog. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, share with a friend and everything. By the way, I decided to name my dog Archie. So mine is Archie, Rachel's one is Mocha. And yeah, but I mean, if you want to comment other names for my dog, you can, because I might change it. I'm not sure yet. So remember, the dog is brown and small, and it's a boy. So by the way, look out for a new video this week. I'm going to be doing a review on the Aztec hair clay mask. So I'll let you guys know how that works out for me. And yeah, guys, remember that when you subscribe, you should hit the bell beside the subscribe button so that you can be notified every single time I post. And please share my channel with your friends, share it everywhere, do anything that you want so that it can be shared, and so that I can gain more subscribers and more likes and everything like that. So yeah, bye.